Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Ma'am, I can speak in English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am, 100% po.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why didn't you choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because I heard to not good good um good salary, ma'am.
Good salary. Okay, can you help me introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Melissa Lonoy Nano. I'm 38 years old, Filipina. I'm a Roman Catholic. I'm a widow. I have four children. Age 15, 13, 9, and 5. Uh, I'm a high school graduate. I live in I live in Quezon Province. Mm,
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. You are a widow. When is your birthday?
I was born on February 24, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
Uh, 46 and 5 flat.
Okay, what about okay, you mentioned that you are widowed and you
Yes,
have four kids. So who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
my sister, mom.
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
A farmer's mom and 42 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brother and one sister.
What is your
I'm a young.
rank? You are the youngest.
Yes, mom.
What about your father and your mother?
My father is died. My mother is senior citizen,
How old is she?
74 years old.
Okay, so your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you will going to sign a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What comes up into your mind that you wanted to work here as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. Again, ma'am.
Why did you wanted to work as a domestic helper here in Malaysia?
A good helper, ma'am.
A good helper. So why not stay in the Philippines?
But stay in the Philippines, ma'am,
Yeah. Why don't you stay in the Philippines? So why you wanted to work here?
because my family and my child.
Okay. So according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Quezon way back 2017 to 2019 for 2 years as a bakery salesperson, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After 2019, you work as a housemaid or nanny in Laguna. For how many years?
2 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
2023 to 21, 2023.
2021 to 2023, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities there in Laguna?
I'm handing boys and I prepare the meals and I'm cooking,
Okay.
laundry and marketing.
Did you do ironing also?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you take care?
But ma'am, the children is 3, but I'm handle 2 boys,
Okay,
2 years old.
how old are those children? 2 years
Uh,
old.
2 years old, ma'am.
2 years old
And
and
10 and 13.
10 and okay, the children is 10, 13 and 2 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the child that you take care? The 2 years old and the 10 years old.
Uh, that's my mommy. That's my mother. The mother.
Sorry? How many children you take care?
One mom.
One only. So how many total children inside the house?
3 mom.
So you mentioned that you take care 2 boys, correct?
2 years old mom. I'm handling 2 years old
So
boy.
you handling one child only, is it?
Yes, ma'am, one child.
Which is a 2 years old.
Which 2 years old, ma'am?
You handle one boy which is 2 years old. Of course, there's 3 children inside the house. The ages is 13 and 10, but you focus on taking care with one kid which is 2 years old. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. I'm focused to 2 years old.
Okay, what happened? Why you didn't continue working there?
Because to my family,
What kind of your family?
um, my mothers, and for my kids, to future, to
No, I mean
especially to my.
ate, why you didn't continue working with this employer in Laguna? Why you stop your job there?
I'm sorry, ma'am, because my father is died.
Okay.
My mother,
So
and
okay. So after that, 2024 to 2025, you work in Quezon as a helper for 1 year, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. What month did you work there in Quezon in 2024?
June, ma'am.
And then June 2024 to June 2025.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities there as a helper?
Uh, I want to good
What
good.
is your duties there? What is your job responsibilities in Quezon?
Sorry, ma'am. I'm helper.
Okay, what is your job there? What kind of helper?
Um, I will take the uh refilling the all mini gallons
You refilling the mini gallons of?
of water, ma'am.
Oh, so they are a water station. You are a helper there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So being an OFW is very tough, okay? This is not an easy job. As I have mentioned, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is very big. There is no joke. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I'm cook.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how will you gonna fight your homesickness later knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
Uh, Sickness, ma'am. I'm listening to music, and I call my family.
Okay, so you will going to work as a domestic helper and you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, okay? But you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problem or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.